Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. And in this video you will see how to crochet cute flower. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring, make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain and round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready, and let's crochet round 1. It is going to be a round of single crochet. For this, make a chain, make 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While making my single crochet, I'm removing a long piece of yarn. 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Before I skip the chain stitch, make slip stitch. Begin round 2. For this, make a chain. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make 2 single crochet. 1, 2. I'm working into the same stitch. Work into the next stitch, make 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Make single crochet twice. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Once I have done 18 single crochet stitches in a round, to complete this round, insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch. Let's crochet the next round. It is going to be a round of petals. Make a chain and make single crochet into the same stitch. Make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook twice. Make boolean block stitch based on treble crochet. Make treble crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over the hook. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the stitch. Pull up a loop. Make 9 times. First one is ready. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Well done. Insert the hook into the same stitch that I did a treble crochet into. Pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Then make a chain. I remind you, my boolean block stitch consists of 2 tops, 1 and 2. Make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then single crochet into the next stitch. Let's crochet one more petal. For the next one, make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook twice. Make treble crochet into the next stitch. Treble crochet is ready, and make strings around treble crochet 9 times. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, then make a chain. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet into the next stitch. Then single crochet into the next stitch. Then you should crochet one more petal with your own. Once I have done all 3 petals, I am done 1 single crochet and continue. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, make half double crochet, chain of 2. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make half double crochet, chain of 2, yarn over the hook, and half double crochet into the second stitch, chain of 2, and half double crochet into the second stitch, chain of 2, and half double crochet into the second stitch. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. Here what I have at this point. Then I continue working on my flower. Let's crochet the next round. Make a chain. It is going to be the last round of my flower. Work into the chain space. Make single crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In total it should be 5 of them. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, make half double crochet, then chain of 3, insert the hook into 3 threads, make a slip stitch. My half double crochet with picot is ready. Make half double crochet into the same stitch, chain of 3 for the picot, work with a slip stitch into 3 loops. Yarn over the hook. I remind you, my boolean block stitch consists of 2 tops. Make 2 half double crochet. With picots. Make the first one and picot, and the second one and picot. Well done. Work into the chain space. Work into the chain space and thread of the boolean block stitch. Make single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. My cute petal is almost ready. I just need to continue. I skip 2 single crochet, insert the hook into the chain space. Make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 half double crochet with picot, chain of 3 for the picot, and work by yourself. Keep working this way till the end of the last petal. Once I have done trim for all 3 petals, and I continue working on my flower, Once I have done the last single crochet, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the single crochet like this. Make puff stitch. Consists of 3 threads. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. Work into the chain space. Make single crochet. Then chain of 3 for the picot and work with the slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. Then single crochet into the same chain space. Make the same puff stitch. I remind you, my puff stitch consists of 3 strings. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, pull through, and single crochet into the chain space with picot. Chain of 3 and work with a slip stitch into the loops. Then single crochet. 1 more. It gives my flower a volume. I work into each chain space. I'm about to complete this round. I'm making the last puff stitch, yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the half double crochet, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, pull through. I do not make my chain. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off my yarn and my flower is ready. I just need to remove my yarns along the stitches on the back side of the work using the sewing needle or crochet hook. Let's stop and look. Here what I have at this point. My project is ready. Each flower consists of 3 petals. And my petal is bullion block stitch with trim. You can use it like a separate motif, or it could be part of big project, such as Irish or Crochet laces. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. For this flower I used 1 color of yarn. You can use variegated yarn or double yarn. It is very delicate and simple at the same time. If you don't know how to crochet bullion block stitches or puff stitches, please use the links below in the video. This playlist is for beginners. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time and good luck in crocheting. And please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. See you next time and goodbye!